Hi guys, it's Katie with Salty Pearl Crochet. Today I'll be showing you how to make this easy, beginner-friendly crochet ear warmer. To get started, you'll need a H 5mm crochet hook and one ball, much less than one ball actually, of Lion brand Comfy Cotton Blend yarn. I am in love with the color driftwood. If you're looking to substitute, this is a 3-weight yarn. So let's get started. Alright folks, thanks to some good old-fashioned TV magic, we have completed our first round. Now, I forgot to mention, leave this little tail out because we're going to be using him later. Alright, so to join your round 1, all you're going to do is slip stitch in the top of this first stitch. Now remember, we're not counting the turning chain as a stitch, so you're going to go right in the top of this guy right here, through both loops here, just yarn over, and pull through both loops on your hook. Round 2 is more of the same. We're going to chain 2, and now obviously we're not working into chains, but we're going to yarn over and work in the first stitch 1 double crochet, and we're going to double crochet in every stitch around. Now the great part about this pattern is it is so stinking easy. All we're going to do for the rest of this headband is double crochet around and slip stitch to join. Alright, so we are back thanks to some TV magic with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of double crochet completed. So now I'm going to go ahead and slip stitch to this last stitch to complete my row, and we're done. Now we get to do the cinch part. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a long chain that's going to wrap around this part of the headband and cinch it together to make it real pretty. So it takes about 10 chains to wrap around once, and I like to have it wrap around about 5 times. So you're going to want to make a chain of, let's see, that would be 50 chains. Alright, so now that we have our chain, we are going to pull through and trim the end so that we just have a little piece here. Now we're going to use our fingers to just cinch this real prettily. I like to pinch the outside edges down. I just think it looks a little bit neater to not have them folded upward. Now we're going to fold back around about 5 or 7 times, as many as we can fit. Do pull it a little tighter than you feel. That'll just help it to stay in place nicely. And now I'm wrapping both around this cinch part and around this yarn tail here. Let's scooch them closer together and keep winding. And there we go. Let's see. I think I can make one more. Aha. So now that we have them all prettily here, I'm going to flip this over and knot the end of my chain to my yarn tail here. I'm just going to do a simple square knot and tack it down even one more time just to be extra sure this knot isn't going anywhere. If I can hold on to this short little end. There we go. So now that that's good and tight, we don't even need to weave these ends in at all. I'm just going to use my crochet hook to go through the back side of this chains and loop them right back under. And that'll just snug them right in there. There you have it. A finished crochet ear warmer. You can adjust it and fiddle with it until the knot looks as pretty as you'd like, but I think that looks just perfect. I am so excited to get to wear this with my daughter. These pictures are going to be so cute, I can already tell. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really excited to be able to start sharing these videos with you guys. So if you could, give us a like and a subscribe. And if you want to see the full written pattern along with the crochet ear warmer size chart for babies all the way up through adults, click the link in the description box below. Thanks so much for joining me today.